Today I'm going to show you how to use one of the most basic features on your iPhone, and that is the swipe to go back. And I don't mean like let's say you're on a certain page like this. I don't mean swiping to go in between pages, but I actually mean to go back on the toggle. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. If we're inside of our settings, and maybe in my settings I go over to the wallpaper. Well, if I want to go back to the previous tab, one of the things that I can do is I can just select that little back arrow icon up at the top, but maybe you don't want to move. Maybe you are only using one hand and you don't want to reach all the way up there. So what you can do is you literally just swipe. You literally just swipe on the screen there, and then it's going to take you back to the previous page. Now, if you can't swipe back any further, that's because you are on the default page and there's nowhere to go back to. So this works within native apps like your settings app here, but it also works on things like YouTube. So you can see I'm on YouTube here and I typed in Lord of the Rings, Ghibli, video that I was looking for, right? Well, if I want to go back to my YouTube main page here, or let me just actually show you a couple different options. Like let's say I scroll through a couple of different videos, right? Well, now if I want to go back to the main page here, well, I just got to swipe and then it goes back to my main page. Now, the reason why I can't swipe anymore is because I'm already on the main page of YouTube. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.